Hello, good morning. Welcome to OZ Pigs Farm. So today I'll be showing you a brief video. Though the pig has started digging, they like digging, so that's what they enjoy more. So here, this morning the pig have already created a very big hole. So the hole is more like a gutter. So if you look right here, this is where the pig dig up. So I'm going to cover it up. So that's what I always do. So once they dig, I seal it. So what I normally use, I use cement and some gravel. So this is my hand trowel. So I mix it up with water. So here, this is where she eats. Now she has already destroyed it. So today I'm going to fix it up in a proper shape. So first of all, I'm going to transfer the pig to the next pen, so that she will allow me to fix up those things. If not, she will keep on disturbing me while I work. So now I'm going to transfer the pig to the next pen. So here is our own room. These are hole. All these around, they are all vegetable. So I give them vegetable. So hello, it's time to get into the next pen. Yeah. How are you? Yeah, she's looking good. Looking good. This is how I touch the pig. The pig likes it when you touch her. This is what I do. Touch her. Looking good. So have to wake up. Stand up. So she has to, go over to this pen, so that she will allow me to do my work. That's good. So I have to also lock it up, so that she won't come back here. Yeah, till I'm done. So I'm going to show you around, so you will see out so you will check it out yourself. So going to what's it? So this is where she destroyed. You can see how she digged out the soil. and created a very huge hole around this area. You can see this opening over here. So this is what I will do today. I'm going to fix it up in a proper shape. Here, this one also, you can see. So and also, so that's what I will do today. So I hope you will enjoy viewing while I go on with the construction. So now I'm going to start by cleaning up the vegetables. So I'll start by shifting them back so that they won't be mixed up. Here I'll use here for the mixture. Here I will use it for the mixture. So now I'm going to pour back the sand inside the hole, and then use this to hit it to be strong, you know. Kind of useful. So here is now ready. So I'm going to head out to get the cement and the gravel. So I'll head out now to get the cement and the gravel. So the sand has gone back to the normal position. So here I want to mix up the cement with the gravel. So here is a bag of gravel, and this is water, and here is the cement. So now I want to mix them up. The work has started. So here is the cement. I'm going to make it look quite very thick, but she won't be able to heat it up. Though once they heat it up again, I'll still fix it. Though they're giving me pretty job to do, so I have to pause a little bit. So here I'm done mixing the cement with the gravel, so I'm going to mix it up with water. Where's my water? Yeah, I'm going to pause again. Here, the gravel is now ready. So I have to Yeah, it's almost ready. So head out to get some sand to plaster the body. How to pause. So here so far is what I've done. You can see I've added the gravel already, and I've mixed it up with the concrete. So I will pieces these blocks in bricks. So I'm going to raise here up. I'm going to raise it up a little bit so that while she's eating she won't be wasting some food. So I'm going to raise it up a little bit. Then I'm going to use this block. So I'm going to cut them in bricks and then fix them up at this point. So we're going to watch how I do them. So that's what I mean. Seen it? Yeah. So I'm going to use these ones to cover the front. I'm going to mix up this sand as well. So that's how I'm going to line them up, raise it up a little bit, and then I'm going to mix up the sand with cement. Then after that I will now round it up, then plaster it now. So I'm going to pause it for a while. So after turning the cement, I'm going to now use it around the blocks. As I've arranged it, I'll use it around the blocks. So wow, that's it. I'm done. You've seen how it looks like. So I've covered up the hole. It's now looking good. So this is what I've been up to. That's it. That's the feeding spot where she eats. It's now looking good. I've covered up this area, also this area. It's now okay. So here the work has been done. I'm through. The open area has been covered up. That spot, also this area, and that end, and also that end. I've closed everything up. So this is what I do always, and I also check on other pen. So if there's any other opening, I will still close them up to make sure they don't create a very big hole inside there. So still, I'm going to still show you around to see the pigs. Some of them are, sleeping there. Some are still eating some vegetables, while some are resting. So I will still show you around. So I would like you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more videos on my pig farm. I would like to enjoy viewing the progress. So Welcome once again to Ozzy Pigs Farm. So I would like you to subscribe while while I show you around. So thank you. So here that's the pig that destroyed her pen. You can see her lying down there. You can see these two. You can see they're eating some green vegetable. They're eating some green vegetable. Then coming over to this place, that one there is lying down. You can see that's what I'm talking about. You can see she's busy digging that place, digging that area. You can see what she's up to. That's what she's up to. She's digging up here. I just caught her. She now pretend as if she did nothing. You can see that one there is sleeping. Coming out to this big man here. You can see her. You can see him. Sorry. He's looking good. No, he likes to be touched. So that's my big man here. So coming over today, you can see here are the piglets I told you. You can see they are now sleeping. They are done eating the vegetable. So they are helping themselves by sleeping. You can see that one is already dreaming. This one is awake too. The other one is sleeping. You can see them. Lie down on these vegetables. They are tired of eating. Oh, sorry. If I woke you up, I'm sorry. So I hope I did not disturb your sleep. And sit down. Yeah, that's my big man. How are you? Okay. Wow. Yeah. So here too, you can see them. So this area, I'll cover it up within a short time. So here is the farm. So this is the work I just did. I'm a little bit tired, but I have to finish it up. Oh, this big one here is sleeping. You can see she's sleeping. This one too. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.